Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Janu and this is the go-to place for intentional and low impact living. So when I first started my low waste journey, it actually started with like decluttering and minimalism. And I just got super fascinated by the idea of just living with less but having like higher quality items that will actually last you. So a lot of the items that I have are thrifted because, you know, I can't afford these expensive brands, and or they're clothes that I've had for a long time that I have no reason to not just like keep using because they go with everything. So I've kind of like minimized my wardrobe and only kept the essentials that I feel like I really need and kind of go with everything. There might be like, you know, 2 or 3 dresses that are like kind of for an occasion, but other than that, most of the items that I have pretty much go with everything. Not only does that save money, but it's also great for the environment as well, because all the water and energy that it takes to create these clothes is a lot. So it's definitely a great way to kind of do your part. All right, so let's hop into the video. So first I'm gonna start with pants and the essentials that I like to have. So these pants that I have right here, I actually got from Crossroads Trading. They are, I believe they are Lululemon. Yes, they're Lululemon. And these are super comfy and they kind of are tight fitted at the bottom. What I really like about them is that like you could go and work out in these pants, or you could put like a nice top over it and put some nice flats on and wear them to work. They're so comfortable, like you feel like you're wearing pajamas. These are usually like, I think they're around like a $90 to $100, but I got these at Crossroads for like 10 bucks. I'm not sure about like how sustainably made they are, but of course like buying something thrifted is more sustainable than actually buying a sustainable piece of clothing. So next would be tops. I pretty much wear the same like 3-4 tops. And it's like V-necks usually. So I have like a black V-neck that I got from Aritzia. And then I have this white V-neck that I got from Crossroads Trading. And I have like a gray V-neck as well. And I think they're just kind of shirts that go with everything. Like again, you can dress it up or dress it down. As you can see, pretty much everything I own is like black, white. I do have some gray. I don't tend to own things that have a lot of color to it. Not that I'm against color, but it's just when you have like more neutral colors, they kind of go with everything. And when you have things that go with everything, it just is, to me, it's like, it just kind of is less wasteful because I don't just have something just sitting there because it can only go with, you know, 1 pair of pants. So I opt for just like basic V-neck tees. I like V-necks versus crew necks because, you know, I think it just looks nice to have like, you know, the little V. So I have those, and then I also have like a couple just different like t-shirts. So I have one in blue, this one's in black. This one's from Organic Basics. It's super comfy and soft and it's made out of recycled materials. So this one, I did get sent, and I do have a code for you guys for 10% off down below if you want to check it out. But I've gotten things from them before, and they're just super soft and comfortable. So if you're looking for a sustainable brand that carries a couple basics, definitely go check them out. They have underwear and like kind of undershirts and t-shirts. So I'll link it in the description box below for you guys. And then for jeans, I have about probably 4-ish pairs of jeans. The ones that I wear pretty often, there are black ones right here. These are Calvin Klein, but I got these so long ago. They still do the job. What I like about these is like, again, like you can dress it up or down. Like if you're going out, you can wear them with heels, or you could just wear them with flats if you're just like kind of doing some errands. But I love just having a pair of black or dark jeans because it kind of goes with any sort of top and it's great. The next is like a pair of light colored jeans. These are Joe jeans. And again, like you can pretty much find all these brands at thrift stores or online thrift stores like Depop or Poshmark. I used to like hate light colored jeans because I thought they looked really weird on me, but now since being in LA, I actually like jeans. So I love matching this with like maybe like a dark top or like with some sneakers. I really love wearing these. And then I also got into like wearing jeans that have little holes in them. I used to be so against it, but now I'm like, you know, I kind of like it now. So definitely the dark jeans and the light jeans are kind of my go-to. I also think it's good for every girl to have a like go-to black dress. This one I really like because, again, like you can dress it up or dress it down. Like for me, having a minimalist wardrobe is about like how many ways can I wear something, because I try not to buy things that you can only wear for like a certain occasion that you're only gonna wear once in a while. I try to buy things that you can actually mix and match. So this is great for like going out. You can put it with heels. You can also wear a jean jacket with it or a leather jacket. And it looks super cute. I'll wear it with sneakers most of the time because it's like you get it's form-fitting, it's flattering, and it's just great because I feel like black just looks good on everyone. I literally have had for, I don't know, 4 years. So back in the day, I used to shop at, you know, fast fashion brands like Zara and H&M and things like that. So, I mean, the dress is perfectly fine. So I'm just gonna keep using it so I can no longer use it. I like to be straightforward and honest and not just make it seem like all my clothes are sustainable and ethical when they're like, some of these brands aren't. And these are things that I got so long ago and decided to keep. So there's no reason to kind of throw it out just because the brand is sustainable. The next are, coats. So I, like I said before, like have some clothing that I've had for years and I'm just gonna keep it because it still does the job. So I have this jacket from H&M. It is like a fake leather jacket. I like it a lot. Obviously, I'm not a fan of H&M or what they stand for, but I've had this for so long, so I'm just gonna keep using it because it's still in great shape. If you're looking for a similar jacket, you could probably go to your local thrift store and find one there, or you can go online. Like I said, I don't support brands like H&M because they're not really ethical and just not the best brand. And then I have a blue jean jacket that is from Gap, but I got it from this company called Good Fair, and they like send you thrifted items. So this is secondhand, and again, like this could go with anything. So it could go with that black dress that I showed you, or you can wear this with those black leggings that I showed you. It really can go with everything, and I feel like everyone should have kind of like a go-to jean jacket. Make sure you comment below which one of the pieces were your favorite and what are some of your minimalist wardrobe essentials if you have any. Like, what are your staples? What are your go-tos? I really want to know. So make sure you drop a comment down below. I also, like, if you go on my Instagram, you can see what I usually wear on a daily basis. Like, if you look at my Instagram, like pretty much I repeat all of my outfits because I don't, you know, kind of support the whole having a different outfit for every single photo sort of thing, because I just think it's wasteful. I used to go out and buy like all these outfits so I can like post them on Instagram, but I'm like, you know what, let me just like have my essentials and work with what I have and just, you know, make the backgrounds different and the locations different so it's not being wasteful. Thank you so much for watching and being a part of my low waste journey, and I will see you in the next video.